Happening today, the Pinellas County Commission will discuss what to do with more than $800 million in federal storm recovery assistance.
County officials say a majority of funds will likely be used to help low-income households and make some infrastructure improvements. 8 on your side's Beth Rousseau, live for us in Pinellas County this morning with the details. Good morning, Beth.
Good morning. So county leaders say that they have barely scratched the surface when it comes to recovery from these hurricanes. The damage estimates here in Pinellas County are $5.2 billion. So today, commissioners are going to be gathering here today to see where they need to focus this aid. Lingering damage from Hurricanes Helene and Milton is obvious around Pinellas County. Diane Stevens is one of many waiting to get back in their homes while bracing for the start of another storm season.
So I was trying to find something, a grant or something that would help me because I'm ready to get in my home.
County leaders say housing accounts for 78% of the remaining unmet need. Today, commissioners are reviewing the final draft of a plan to spend $813 million in federal funding for disaster recovery.
$800 million is a lot of money. We can all agree on that, right? It's still not enough. It's not enough money to do everything we need to do for Pinellas County to recover.
The plan is the product of more than 3,000 resident surveys about where help is needed. It includes $599 million in housing aid, $106 million for infrastructure, and $32 million each for economic revitalization and public services.
I'm hoping that I can get assistance before this come about, but at least I know they've got this coming as well.
Stevens wants a more immediate option to return home. So today, Pinellas County Commissioners will come here. They're going to review the final draft of this plan. They are accepting public comment through May 23rd. Once that period closes out, they'll then send the final plan to HUD for approval, hoping to have some of this money in the community and helping out by fall. We're live in Pinellas County. Beth Russo, 8 on your side.